What are you thinking?
The jack's still under my car.
Oh, I'll get it for you, you wait. It is very under the car still. How are the conditions?
Look, it's a bit wet. I've seen drier days, but not drier undies, I tell you that much, mate.
Going in the wet.
It is a definite handful. It's a handful in the dry, so this is not going to be any better at all. This is actually, yeah, put it hands down to the guys in the States that make these things super easy. Seats helped.
Oh, very good.
Cool me down. It helped cool the engine down, but I think something's on fire.
She looked good.
Oh my gosh, that was stressful. Oh, time to have some fun. Alright, that is literally it. That is the absolute last Saturday, so Sunday. That is the last ever Sunday Archy. Finished wet, which is kind of a bummer. I just did not want it to be raining, but here so I'm continuing this after Man, the Myth, the Legend. Basically, real sad, very wet. I managed to test Archer out. Turns out I can't really drive it. I've lost how to drive it, but obviously Dazza is a damn party rig. I didn't wreck the Mustang, which is good. Definitely bummed about the wet weather, but being the last Sunday ever drifting here, kind of a bummer. Had a few good laps, both Jesse, a few other guys as well. It's actually cool to be out from some Hot Boy cars, as they weren't called Hot Boy cars, but now because R33s and Silvies and all that, or Hot Boy cars, so that was good. Had some sick laps, but honestly, absolute sadness that it's going. We're going to be doing one more event. We're actually bringing out the Subi because we done the car so long ago, and it was always, we wanted to take it out here. And look, the last date I could book in was a Tuesday, beginners, so, which is kind of good because I'm not going to be able to do a full track in that car. It doesn't have much lock, so I'm just going to crash it. So, and I don't want to crash it, so look out for that one. I hope you guys enjoyed a bit of a footage of the Muzzy. I really wanted to blaze tyres, but I guess we're not, so we'll have to take out another track. But for Archie, I really wanted to send it away in the Mustang, but we didn't. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you next week. Catch you soon.